Hi guys, this is Heather from SA Mom Blogs, and today I'm just going to show you a way that you can save some money on your groceries. Look, it's not a huge amount, but it's something, and every little bit counts these days, hey? And I've only been using it now for 2 grocery shops. I did one last Friday and I've done one this morning. And what you do is the night before, you just click on the ones you want, and it gives you 48 hours to use those bookings, right? So that's what I do. I do it the night before. You can even do it on the day, apparently, as long as you use what you booked for the 48 hours. Okay. So what you do, you go into the shops as per normal. You come home with your slip, and then you're gonna snap your slip. Right, and that's gonna go and you're gonna get the money back. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you on the app. Put my glasses on again. I'm becoming blind, it's bad. Okay, SnapnSave right over there, so I click there, and just to show you my wallet, let's see if we can do this. Get it at the right angle so you can see. As you can see, the first one is cashback. I got that at the beginning for snapping any till slip. Then I did my first shop and it was rejected because I didn't take pictures of the entire till slip from beginning to end. Then I did it properly and I got $22.90 back, and I got $5 for a promotion. Okay. So this, at the bottom you'll see there's some icons. So this one with the trolley offers, you click there, and that's where you'll see, that's where you go and book what you want. There's everything. Okay, so guys, I could not find this shampoo today, the herbal essences, but I did manage to find a lot of things like eggs and bread, guys. I mean, that's stuff that you are going to use. Okay, show me more. I'm not going to show you more, there's a lot of stuff. This is my booked offers. I know, sorry this guys, this is so out of focus, but I don't know if you can see. Any loaf of bread, a tray of eggs, 1 liter of milk, yogi sip, and the shampoo. Okay. Alright, so what I do now, it says snap my till slip. So here's my till slip. Where is this till slip from? It is from Checkers. Okay. Whoops, my till slip's upside down. Get it the right way around. Okay. Upload my till slip. Oh, I have to select offers. Okay. Bread, eggs, milk, yogi sip. Okay, so it's not much today, guys, but it's something. Upload my till slip. I don't know how I'm going to do this holding a camera, but let's just try. Choose camera. There it says add another photo if your till slip is long, so we're going to do that. Oh, flip, sorry. I knew this was going to be logistically a problem, but okay. Okay. I'm gonna go up to pizza, and then add another photo, camera, take the picture. Okay. Add another photo. I'm definitely keeping the tool slip in case I've made a stuff up here. I have to try and remember that I've got everything in right to the bottom, and okay. Alright, hopefully submit my tool slip. We have to validate your slip, which may take up to 4 working days, so keep your tool slip. Okay, I got it. Oh, yeah. Alright, super. And we're done. Okay, so that's very simple. I've now done that. It's going to take 4 working days for it to get processed, and I'll get some money back from those few items. Last week was probably a bit more, but the previous week I got avocados. What is the other thing? There were some vegetables that I got. Like this week they had pears, and I don't really get pears. So you must always just check and scroll all the way down, and you never know, there might be something that you are going to buy anyway. It's not about buying extra things, it's saving on the existing things you've got. Okay, well that's all from me, and happy shopping and happy snapping and saving.